Hello everyone, this video is part of the EnDo Strategy Historical Cycles series. Although this is a historical chart, it is narrated step by step as if decisions are being made in real time, in order to clearly demonstrate how the rules are applied. This strategy has been tested across many different cases using candlestick price data covering all historical periods, from the creation of the NASDAQ 100 index up to today. In this series, those cases are presented sequentially, cycle by cycle, as practical examples. Cycle number 4. This cycle is counted from the day the profit from the previous cycle was taken and the position was closed. That day is August 27th, 1987. According to the rules, an entry is made after a pullback occurs. A pullback has occurred. Now, according to the rules, we wait for a bullish daily candle to form and close. Once a bullish daily candle forms, we enter the position. The stop loss is set according to rule number 1, and under rule number 2, we allocate half of the account balance to open the initial position. Now we wait for an upward move in order to open the next position. However, no upward movement occurs. Instead, the price falls, the stop loss is hit, and the position is closed, resulting in our first loss. According to the rules, we wait again for another bullish daily candle. When another bullish daily candle appears, we follow rule number 1 and rule number 2 and reopen the initial position. Since an upward move occurs, we wait for another pullback in order to open the second position. However, the pullback hits the stop loss and the position is closed. In such situations, we do not get emotional. We only follow the rules. After each stop loss is hit, we wait for the next bullish daily candle. When a bullish daily candle forms, we open a new position by strictly following rule number 1 and rule number 2. On the 5th such attempt, after opening the position, an upward movement finally occurs. As the price rises, we wait for a pullback. A pullback has occurred. Now, according to the rules, we wait for a bullish daily candle. After the bullish daily candle forms and closes, according to rule number 2, we buy with the remaining half of the account balance and open the second position. After opening the second position, an upward movement developed. However, since we are already fully invested with 2 open positions, we do not open another position on the next pullback. Shortly after, the stop loss is hit again, and the second position is closed. Even at this point, we continue attempting to open the second position after each bullish daily candle that forms after a stop loss is hit. On the 10th attempt, the second position is opened and held together with the first position. According to rule number 5, both positions are held until all losses from previous stop losses are recovered, and a profit equal to 15% of the account balance at the start of the cycle is achieved. Once the profit target is reached, both positions are closed and the profit is taken, bringing this cycle example to an end. Please take a look at the results of this cycle. See you again in the next historical cycles video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.